Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Shein app. So let's get into the video. So as you may know, Shein is just an online shopping app. So it's similar to like eBay and Amazon. So where you can, like, if you get into the app, you'll see a wide range of products here that you can purchase from. So let's get into the video. I will show you how we can make the purchase or place an order on Shein. So if you open up Shein, and once you like create your account, it's always better to create an account so that you can deal with your deal and manage with your purchases. So create an account if you haven't. So just so once you install the app, or you can also use the app or the browser. So once you've open it, you can just create your create an account. And once that's done, so what you can do, you can just choose any you have the categories here where you can choose for anything that you want to browse or shop. So you have all of the categories here, or if you go to your home, you will see when you're on your home page here, you will see deals here which you can try to claim into the shopping. So something like that. So for example, let me choose, so let me go to this electronics category here. So let me check for something to buy, right? Or else I'll try smartwatches. So let me get into smartwatches, and then let me see what I can buy here. So let's try to find something. Okay, for example, okay, that one here. So this watch, this looks cool, so let me try buy this. I'll just select that, and then you'll see all the product descriptions and everything, the shipping details, everything here. You can just thoroughly go through it, and also you can see reviews here. So thoroughly go through it, check it, and browse the pictures. Like if you scroll to your right, you can browse, and so just make sure that you're satisfied with the product and you have made up your mind to buy it. So what you can do, you can select the quantity here, and then you just simply hit on, once you're fixed that you want to make an order, so hit on add to cart. So once you hit on add to cart, so you can just go to your shopping basket there, that's your cart. So we can proceed with the checkout. So you're going to purchase this product here, then hit on checkout. So click on checkout here. Then once you click on checkout here, you can choose the your address. So I have provided my address when creating my account, so that's why it's here. Otherwise you can click on this and then change your shipping address. You can hit on add shipping address and then change your address. Okay, and then you can choose which shipping method suits you, that you want. So you can choose that, and then here comes the payment method. How do you want to make the payment? So you can choose that with a card or PayPal or any other methods. I'll just leave it with PayPal. Alright, so you can choose that, and then once you are done, if there's any coupon or promotions, you can, that will be applied here or showing here. Right, that's done, and then you will see your final total amount and the discounts, if there is any tax details, everything here. So once you're happy with it, you can just proceed with your payment. For example, I'm going to pay with my PayPal, so I'll just proceed. So based on your preferences, you can just proceed with the order. So let me do that. So just going to complete my payment. Alright, so I've provided my PayPal details and I've already successfully paid for my order. So that's it. So order has now been placed. So that's basically how you can actually make an order on Shein. So how you can use it to do your shoppings. All right, so that's one thing. And if you want to like track your order or make it or manage your order, you can always do that if you go to your my tab here, me tab here, and then you can go to your my orders, and then select your order, and then do all your if you want to cancel it, or you want to like see the tracking or the details of it, you can just browse it through here. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.